Hi everyone, and welcome to day 12 of our 30 days to the roots of yoga. So for today's practice, I'm going to be taking you through a short pranayama practice called Dīrgha Prāṇāyāma. Now Dhirga translates to long, and in this sense we're working on extending prana throughout three regions of our body. The first one being our belly, where apana or impurities sit. And as explained in the previous video, the point of pranayama practices is to help us to remove impurities by redirecting prana. So you might know Dhirga Prāṇāyāma as three-part breath, and when we practice this technique, we're working with three parts of the body, and the first one being our belly, the second one being our ribs or our sides of our bodies, and the third being our chest. And we'll be doing this by bringing focus to each of these three parts in turn through our inhales, and as we exhale, we're going to be reversing the direction in which the breath leaves the body. It's all going to make a little bit more sense to you as we progress. So as soon as you're ready, we'll get started. And if it's comfortable for you to sit in Sukhasana or a comfortable seated position, then coming onto a chair, your couch, your bed, a flat surface or your mat. If you'd rather practice this standing, then that's also an option for you. But when you're ready, just taking your hands on your knees with your palms facing down. We're going to take a couple of moments to ground down into our practice. So a couple of breaths, closing off the eyes or softening your gaze. Moment to connect to the breath. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And seeing if you can make your breaths just slightly deeper than what they currently are. And now placing both hands on the belly and breathing into the belly, feeling the belly expand as you inhale. And as you exhale, feeling the belly fall away in towards the spine. Good, take a few more breaths. And then on your next inhale, you're going to breathe into the belly and then into the rib cage. So inhale, belly and ribs. And then exhale, ribs and belly. And now inhale, belly and ribs. Exhale, ribs and belly. And just practicing this for a couple of rounds. So we're not really focusing on volume, but more on awareness. And then on your next inhale, carrying the breath down to the belly, the ribs, and now the chest. And an exhale through the chest, the ribs, and the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, 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 belly. 2 more rounds, just going at your own pace. And then I'm going to start guiding you back in, this time seeing if you can feel a bit more of an expansion through these parts as you inhale. Belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Last one. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Then gently placing the hands on the lap or the knees, palms facing down, and keeping the eyes closed for a couple of moments of silence. Perhaps feeling a little bit more clearer. Maybe feeling a little bit more relaxed. And then gently blinking open the eyes. And I hope that helped, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 13.